what is very simple in another way, which is not only for Excel, but for any file that you want to protect. While saving your file, I'll go to file, I'll go to save as. Many of you might know, if the people don't know, then in your when you save the file, there is an option called as tools. Okay, you can just click on this tools and go to general options. I'll go to general options, and there is a password that you can provide to your file. This is not only for Excel, this is for any file that you want to protect. You might have seen whenever we receive our pay slips or some data, some file which is sensitive, it is password protected, and they say that this is the password to open your file. So what you can do, you can provide the password here, which will be whatever password you can provide, password to open and password to modify. Let's say I just want people to only have read only data, so I'll only provide password to open. If I want people to modify also with some password, then I can provide the modify password and just click on OK. So whenever the person is opening the file, password will be asked. Without password, you cannot open that file. This is one way. This is not related to Excel, but this is a general way of protecting any type of file. Okay. Now the next thing is that we need to discuss. This was just the restricting the file. Next thing is protecting the file, protecting the worksheets or cell ranges. How do we protect that? So if I go to book 2, and let's say not only book 2, let's say I am going to restrict editing part, and here whenever you right click on the sheet, okay, just right click on the name of the sheet, you will see you will have one option of protect sheet. Okay, what is that protect sheet option is, just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so we were discussing about protecting the sheet. How do we protect the sheet? So there is one inbuilt feature in Excel. What you can do, just right click on the sheet name and there will be an option of protect sheet. When you click on protect sheet, again the same thing. You can provide a password so that no other person can edit your data or can modify your data. So here, let's say I am providing a password, for example, 123, which will be easy to remember. And if you see, another option is protect worksheet and contents of logged cell. And the next thing is allow all users of this worksheet to. So here in the second box, what you are doing, you are providing the privileges of privileges to other users, what they can do in your file. So let's say by default, it is select logged cells and select unlocked cells. I have provided the password as, let's say, 123, and I have just clicked on OK. Now what will happen? Re-enter the password. I'll re-enter the password and then click on OK. If you see, I am trying to, let's say, modify some data. So here it is saying that you cannot modify this data because it is protected sheet. Let's say I want to create a new column. So here I'll just right click. You will see all the options are disabled for you, like insert, delete, clear content. All these options are disabled. I want to add a new row. I'll just right click. All the options are disabled for me.